Hello, I'm Jasmine Zorlu. I've been making hats nearly 29 years, and I love to make hats out of upcycled sweaters. Here is part of a turtleneck that I cut apart. I haven't draped that one yet. I use my own head, and I also use a balsa standard hat block to make my hats. You want to see what I'm working on? I draped this one, I think maybe a month and a half ago. This is boiled wool. I got the sweater off of eBay, and you can wear it different ways. I was inspired by animals. Here, it's a little bit animalistic. That's one. Here's another one I just draped. It's not finished. It's not going to be like that. That's too jestery. I'm actually going to attach it somehow. Or maybe I'll twist it and tack it. So I decided to do all these black and gray hats because, you know, that's the color that sells the most. This one has another sweater in it. This one has merino wool felted with boiled wool. So these are all one of a kind. Here's a cashmere one that I made today. I draped it. I didn't make it yet. I still have to hand stitch all of these. This one's more conservative, more like a beanie. Here's another one from that thick cashmere sweater that's made in Scotland. And you know, the vintage Scottish cashmere is really high quality. Oh yeah, I was wondering, should I keep the labels too? Oh, it's backwards. I still have to roll the edge and hand stitch it. Look at all the different ways you can wear this one. These are really handy to travel with. You can just stick them in your bag and pull it out when it gets chilly at night. Here's another one I made. This one is made from a high quality Henry Bandel, made in Italy, cashmere. So I was able to get 3 hats out of this super thick, cozy, soft, cable knit cashmere sweater that was made in Italy. You can have fun. Why not have fun wearing hats? Looks like I was productive today. So this is that Henry Bandel one also. Right now they're just pinned together. I'm going to sew them together by hand with embroidery floss, cotton embroidery floss with this cashmere that's 100%, and I use a cotton woven label, so technically it's biodegradable, but I've never tried composting one of these hats. So that's it. How many do I have to sew up now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, what a productive day I had. I'm so happy. I love making hats. It's my passion. It's my life. It's why I'm on this planet.